dreams. Are you interested in earning money online? Well, you're in luck. Today, we'll take you on a journey to explore various avenues for generating income through the power of the internet. Let's get started. Method 1. E-commerce. Selling products online has become increasingly popular. You can start your own online store using platforms like Shopify, Etsy. Find unique products to sell or even leverage dropshipping to fulfill orders without maintaining inventory. Method 2. Freelancing. If you have marketable skills, freelancing can be a fantastic way to earn money online. Offer services such as writing, graphic design, programming, or marketing. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect you with clients from around the world. Method 3. Online courses. Do you have specialized knowledge or expertise in a particular field? Creating and selling online courses can be a lucrative option. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Teachable allow you to share your knowledge and earn money while helping others learn. Method 4. Affiliate marketing. If you enjoy promoting products or services, affiliate marketing might be a perfect fit. Join affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share Hustle, and earn commissions for every sale made through your unique affiliate links. Method 5. Content creation. If you have a talent for creating engaging content, you can monetize it through platforms like YouTube. Build a loyal audience, and through advertising, brand partnerships, or sponsored content, you can start generating income. Method 6. Online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, consider offering online tutoring services. Platforms like VIPKid, Chegg, or Tutor.com connect you with students seeking academic assistance, allowing you to share your knowledge while earning money. Virtual assistant work. As you can see, there are numerous ways to earn money online. Whether it's through e-commerce, freelancing, online courses, affiliate marketing, content creation, online tutoring, or virtual assistant work, the internet provides a wealth of opportunities. Choose the methods that align with your skills, interests, and goals. Start your online earning journey today. Earning money online requires effort, dedication, and sometimes a certain level of risk. Results may vary. It's important to research, plan, and consider professional advice before pursuing any online income-generating opportunities.